Every year since 2009, Mopar has released special edition cars, trucks, and SUVs that offer a custom feel while retaining a factory warranty by using Mopar accessories and graphics. For 2025, Ram is introducing its factory-built custom with the 1500 row festooned with Mopar stuff, and production will be limited to just 250 total units. Off the bat, the 1500 row is a rather impressive off-roader despite having less power than the TRX it sort of replaces. Rumors abound that a more hardcore truck is still coming, possibly even a revived TRX. That's why it's the perfect canvas for a 2025 Mopar Edition vehicle. This special edition truck was teased during the 2024 SEMA show as a concept and looks like it's going to be very close to that as a production truck. First, the Mopar Row and the standard Row will share the same power output. As nothing is changed in the engine tuning, that means its Hurricane high-output inline-six engine will still produce 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. That's good enough for a 4.6-second rip to 60 miles per hour and a 13.2-second quarter-mile run. According to our testing, when you see the Mopar Row in person, you'll notice that the SEMA version wore unique paint that the production version lacks. The prototype was shot with a custom satin black finish for that stealthy matte look. For production, it will shine with a glossy diamond black pearl coat, which will be great news for owners considering how difficult satin and matte finishes are when it comes to retaining their non-luster finish. Beyond all that, the prototype and the production Mopar Row are so close it will be fair to say they're identical. Including the graphics package that features the Omega M Mopar logo as a graduated and repeating pattern on the body striping. More exterior touches that remain the same are the 18 by 9-inch beadlock-capable wheels mounted to a set of 35-inch BFGoodrich Mud Terrain TAKM3 tires. Including a full-sized spare mounted in the truck bed, these tires also really set off the fender flare fitment, which are the widest on any production 1500 in the lineup. In the bed, the spare tire is mounted via a fully integrated carrier. A RamBar accessory bar is included in the perfect place to mount your favorite light bar for off-road lighting duty. This is a slight change from the concept as it had a pair of TYRI 12-inch LED lights. The bed is also protected by a Mopar spray and textured bedliner in black. Protecting the rocker panels are a pair of off-road style running boards that feature a texturized surface. On each bumper, a pair of Mopar blue tow hooks stand out from the black body so you're able to see it when you need a place to use a winch hook. Finally, the hood is the standard row nostril IZED version of the Ram 1500 hood but features a graphic along its raised surface. Inside, you'll find as standard the RHO's Level 1 equipment group that includes a 12-way power, heated, and ventilated front seats with a massage function and embroidered logos. All seating surfaces, including the rear bench seat, feature Natura Plus leather with perforated suede accents. The concept featured Mopar blue leather accents, but it appears the production truck loses these features as there is no mention of the contrasting. The major additions to the interior are the Mopar instrument panel accessory rail and the Mopar blue serialized badge attached to the lockable center console. The 2025 Mopar Ram 1500 Row is available to order now with delivery expected to start this spring with a price of $78.590, a $6.500 premium over the standard Row. You'll need to order it fast as only 250 units will be available in total with only 225 allocated for the US and 25 for Canada.